Alright traders, welcome. It's Patrick with Trading123.net, and today is Wednesday, September 25th, 2024, and today was a one and done day trading the
New
NQ
visitor.
here. And we're trading 3 contracts, and we're using the FlowBots Replikanto trade copier and trading 6 accounts, as you see. And the market pretty much had ran up here to a high. The bot was already running and the trend was down, so it took this short here, hit its first profit target, then our trail stops kicked in, and it sold off nicely here. Profits adding up quickly. When you're using a trade copier, you want to start with, one or two Apex or Lilu accounts to get, used to, trading double accounts. Because as you see here, with the 7 accounts, we made $4,600 in profits in one trade. And there are a lot of people that are using the trade copier, but you don't have to start with 7, 10, 20 accounts the way they preach. Oh, you need to get 20 accounts, make $200, and then you'll make $2,000 a day, or make 300, you'll make $6,000, or 400, you'll make $800 a day. So that's all fine and dandy, but I know a couple people that got 10 and 20 accounts. They got their PA accounts, and then they started trading, and they were so nervous they blew them out in the first week, and they had to start all over. So basically, the bottom line is they wasted about 3 or 4 months, if not even more, trying to get back to 10 accounts, and it's really not worth it. You start with 1 or 2. We get a couple traders that got 2 or 3, and they're getting payouts of 2 to 3 grand a month, and it's working for them, and they're quite happy, and they'll slowly add another account and go from there. So starting out, I would get 1 or 2 accounts, do that for a month or two, get another account, do that for a month or two, and then after 6, 7 months, have at least 3 or maybe 5 accounts after a year. And then if you want to go more, that's up to you. But as I always say, you got to learn to make 100 before you can make 1,000. You just don't go out and buy Tiger Wood golf clubs for $3,000 or Michael Jordan basketball shoes for, what are they, 200, 300 bucks now, and you're not going to shoot par and you're not going to dunk the ball till you practice. Just like when I originally made the bot 14 years ago, I was quite happy making 200 to 300 for 6 months. Then after a year, went to 500. Did that for 2 or 3 years, and then every day, certain days of the week, I would make more. But I was never trading more than 3 contracts, because you can make $1,000 with 3 contracts with less risk compared to trading 10 contracts with more risk. So it's all about learning, and then once you learn it, you will be trading for the rest of your life, and the bot will help you on your way. And a lot of people treat trading as a hobby. It's not a hobby, it's a profession. So like I always say, you got to put in your time, do the work, and then you'll benefit from it. So do you get really nervous when you're trading 5, 6 accounts? Well, not really. You just don't think of it that way. I mean, it's like a football player, Tom Brady or Troy Aikman, playing in front of 80,000 fans. Do you think they're worried about that? No, they're focused on the game. So you focus on the charts and what the market's telling you. And then you get in a downtrend like you are here, then you just ride it as much as you can. And we were almost to the profit goal. And I hit the flatten button with the Replikanto trade copier, and it flattened all instead of hitting the cancel button here. So I got out shortly after this screenshot here, and that's why there's no screenshot of the final trade. So you know, there's a learning curve on FlowBots. Don't hit the flatten button because it'll take you out of the whole trade. Disable the strategy and you're done. So that's the trade of the day with the FlowBots Replikanto trade copier. Save yourself 20%. Visit the link underneath the title here. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button. Follow us here on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. And we'll catch you in the next video maybe. Down here in Florida preparing for the hurricane. So may not be no trading tomorrow or Friday. See what the weather does.